Everything big. Oh, you fancy, huh?
Girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
Bitch here for her interview. This Victoria, y'all. I tell this bitch turn the car off. This bitch tell me something. I think I turned the car off. Look at her face. Guilty. No, she ain't turned that motherfucker off. Did you cut it off? What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna start. Make sure you get that.
I'm crying. Now she go say that. I'ma zoom in. So
And I got
you
extra
see it. Period.
I literally have a vlog like almost like a fucking week, y'all. Hey, YouTube. What you showing me?
Y'all gotta wait, YouTube.
Oh, wow. Okay, we watching the, okay. Ooh. I don't know. That was, I'm gonna say well done. To my chicken.
That look well done. Let me see.
No, it did not. Okay.
I mean,
It right off. It was a little juice on the bone still. It come with a salad?
oh, I don't know. No, I don't think so.
probably got
No,
that
the
separate.
first thing was it when she had the whole.
Why is it dirty?
All right, I guess that's what I'm gonna get.
So I'm gonna get the chicken. I'm getting that and that, and it come with those
We're doing
items.
the brisket quesadilla.
What chicken, Shalaun?
The smokehouse combo too. I'm gonna get the honey chipotle crispers and then the brisket quesadilla. Fuck it, I'm gonna get that. I just ate ribs not that long ago. That'd be cool.
Sound busting.
Oh, okay.
Do your porcelain, do your anime
What's my anime face?
It's okay, everybody. I'm gonna let you go. Hey y'all, gym vlog, bitch. So we at the gym. We just finished stretching. We currently about to go. I always wanted to do that.
Well, I'm thinking I'm trying to reach to do it all the way back here.
I'm crying. Oh, I can think. Oh. Okay. Can I get the end? Oh. Can I get that one? Yeah. Okay. She said, yeah, we're gonna switch. Who's game on?